Well, switching gears here, happening today, it is a very special day. In just about an hour, the Western Idaho Fair will officially kick off for the season. CBS 2's Brian Levin is live out at the fairgrounds with a look at how you can get into the fair for free this afternoon. Brian, I love that price.
Hey, Denny, it's an exciting day. You can get into the Western Idaho Fair absolutely free from noon until 2. It is coming up quickly. It's not just, hey, get into the fair for free day. It's also STEM Day at the fair. I'm here with Erica Compton from the Idaho STEM Action Center. Erica, thank you for joining us. You can get into the fair for free. It goes until 11. It looks like you can spend all day in this tent right here.
Absolutely. We have activities for every age today. So we have everything from the first robotics teams that have competed at regionals and nationals with their incredible robots, so that kids can come and see what it really takes to compete at a very high level. So we also have an entire area of early STEM where kids can explore the very basics of early coding or build with different objects, try out different robots. We have several public libraries here because they do such amazing work in the out of school. You can come and explore 3D printing and learn more about the activities that they provide out of school. We also have an entire tent of virtual reality, and so kids can come of all ages. That includes those adults. If they want to come and explore virtual reality, then they can do that as well.
Okay, that was my question. You brought up coding, you brought up virtual reality. That is all very serious stuff. I have no idea how it's made or what goes into it, but it doesn't matter if it's the littlest, the youngest, or the oldest. The big kid at heart, anyone can stop by.
That's absolutely true. So we do a lot of programming for kids. I mean, literally toddlers is available, and activities today, and I'm pretty sure some adults will find some of this pretty interesting as well.
Right. Hey, I know school is coming up quickly and their minds might be all focused on that, but if someone has so much fun here and they want to learn more, where can they go?
Absolutely. So the Idaho STEM Action Center supports educators, both formal and informal, and all ages, and so they can go to stem.idaho.gov and click on all of the different links to learn more about us and how they can apply for funding.
All right, Erica, thank you so much with the Idaho STEM Action Center. A reminder also, it's going to get pretty hot here later on in the day. We're under a tent. Come over to the STEM Action Center tent and have some fun. All right, now let's check in with Nate Larson. I think he's having a little bit of fun too, somewhere else on the fairgrounds.